You said the wrong thing. You got defensive. Now it's worse than before, and she's even more upset. You want to fix it, but you're terrified anything you say will just make it worse. If you're stuck in this painful moment not knowing how to come back from it, stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say when you've already made it worse, and the critical timing that makes repair actually work. Here's exactly what to say when you've made it worse. First, acknowledge what you did without defending it. I got defensive when you brought that up. That wasn't fair to you. Second, name the impact on her. That probably made you feel dismissed and like I wasn't taking you seriously. Third, express genuine regret. I hate that I did that. You deserve better, especially when you're trying to tell me something important. But here's the critical timing that makes repair actually work. Don't try this immediately after you've made it worse. If she's still upset or has shut down, your apology will feel like pressure to forgive you quickly. Wait until you're both calmer. Sometimes that's 20 minutes. Sometimes it's the next day. How do you know she's ready? She's not visibly tense. She's not giving one-word answers. She's engaging normally with other things. That's when you approach her and say, "Can I talk to you about earlier? I handled that badly and I want to make it right." Here's your actionable insight. Don't add excuses to your repair. The moment you say, "I got defensive because you," or "I wouldn't have said that if you hadn't," you've just made it about her behavior instead of your response. Your stress, your bad day, your triggers, those might be real, but they're not her responsibility. Own what you did without making her responsible for it. After you've owned it, ask what she needs. What can I do to make this right? Or, how can I show you that I hear what you were trying to tell me? This gives her agency instead of you deciding what counts as repaired. Many men worry this makes them look weak or like they're always wrong. But owning your mistakes actually shows strength. It takes courage to say, "I messed up," without defending yourself. It takes maturity to prioritize the relationship over your ego. What if she's still upset after you apologize? Don't take it personally. Trust takes time to rebuild, especially if this pattern has happened before. Say, "I understand you're still hurt. I'm committed to doing better, and I'll show you that through my actions." Then actually follow through by not making the same mistake again. The goal isn't a perfect apology that makes everything instantly okay. The goal is showing her that you can recognize when you've hurt her, take responsibility without deflection, and commit to doing better. That builds trust over time, even when individual moments are messy. Start practicing this today. When you realize you've made it worse, resist the urge to immediately defend or explain. Take a breath. Wait for the right moment. Then own what you did, acknowledge her experience, and show genuine care for how you impacted her. This one skill turns relationship damage into opportunities to prove you're safe to be vulnerable with. Comment below and let me know what you are currently struggling with in your communications with your wife. Click the link in the first comment or check my bio to discover an ebook that can help improve your communication with your wife.